Welcome to our Moissanite jewellery care tutorial, where we'll show you how to keep your sparkling pieces looking their best for years to come. First, let's talk about cleaning. Keeping your moissanite jewellery clean is essential to maintain its brilliance. To clean your moissanite jewellery, simply use a mild dish soap mixed with warm water. Gently scrub the jewellery with a soft bristled toothbrush to remove any dirt or grime. After cleaning, be sure to rinse your jewellery thoroughly with clean water and pat it dry with a soft lint-free cloth. Next, let's discuss storage. Proper storage can prevent scratches and damage to your moissanite jewellery. Store your moissanite jewellery in a soft pouch or a jewellery box lined with fabric to protect it from scratches and tarnishing. Avoid storing it with other jewellery pieces that may scratch or damage the surface. Now, let's talk about maintaining that stunning sparkle and brilliance over time. To keep your moissanite jewellery looking its best, avoid exposing it to harsh chemicals such as chlorine or bleach. Remove your jewellery before swimming or engaging in household chores. With these simple care tips, you can ensure that your moissanite jewellery stays as radiant as the day you got it. Remember, a little care goes a long way in preserving the beauty of your cherished pieces.